Tesla launches Cybertruck service. Tesla has launched the online service and owner's manuals for the recently released Cybertruck, offering detailed information on the electric pickup and instructions on how qualified technicians can perform specific repairs. You can now see both the Cybertruck owner's manual and the vehicle's service manual on Tesla's website, as posted alongside the automaker's other vehicles. While Tesla warns in its service manual that maintenance should only be performed by qualified technicians, it has also publicized how to perform certain fixes so owners can decide the best way to proceed with Cybertruck repairs. Although the Cybertruck owner's manual was revealed online by a YouTube channel last month, this is the first time Tesla has posted the information to its website for the public to view. Tesla's owner's manuals include pretty much everything an owner might need to know, explaining how to use various settings and features, how to charge and maintain the EVs, and showing the full specifications for each vehicle. The news comes just a few months after Tesla held an initial delivery event for the Cybertruck in late November, and as additional early deliveries of the electric vehicle EV have started to trickle out since. It also comes as Tesla continues to ramp up Cybertruck production at its Gigafactory, Texas, with onlookers recently spotting well over 100 units at the plant on any given day. Tesla expects to take 12 to 18 months from initial deliveries to reach volume production of the Cybertruck, while many reservation holders await their turn for delivery. While the Cybertruck is currently only available in the US, one Tesla executive said he's hoping the EV will go on sale in Canada soon. Meanwhile, although CEO Elon Musk said it would be very difficult to get the electric pickup road legal in China, and other executives have made similar statements about the European market, Tesla has been putting the Cybertruck on display in China and Japan. In addition, some have said a similar Cybertruck display tour could be coming to Germany and maybe more of Europe in the coming months. Tesla Cybertruck range test reveals impressive distance on full charge source, reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.